You've got a can of WD-40 sitting in your garage right now, but it's probably only doing 10% of what it's actually capable of. The crazy part? Mechanics have been quietly using these same tricks for years to dodge massive repair bills that can easily hit thousands of dollars. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 18 game-changing WD-40 uses that will save you serious cash and keep your car running and looking its best. Stick around, trick number 3 alone can literally prevent a $3,000 headache. Let's dive in. Trick 18, clean a G-Cut-up gas cap. Your gas cap has been collecting years of road grime, making the thread sticky and the seal unreliable. Spray a generous amount of WD-40 around the threads, the underside, and the rubber sealing ring. Let it penetrate for a minute to break down that stubborn buildup. Wipe everything clean with a microfiber cloth. You'll be amazed how easily the old crust comes off, leaving the threads silky smooth and the seal tight again. Hit it with a light follow-up coat before reinstalling, and that cap will click securely every single time. Do this every couple of months as routine maintenance and you'll dodge phantom check engine lights caused by vapor leaks. Most drivers waste hundreds chasing sensors and diagnostics when the real culprit was a dirty cap hiding in plain sight. 2 minutes of your time can prevent a frustrating morning and keep fuel system codes at bay. If that one just saved you money, wait until you hear what's next. This one will blow your mind. Trick 17, remove water spots from side mirrors. Those stubborn white mineral spots on your side mirrors distort your view and make the car look neglected. Spray a light mist of WD-40 straight onto the glass, let it dwell for about 30 seconds, then buff gently in circular motions with a clean microfiber. Watch those baked-on deposits lift away, revealing crystal-clear glass with a subtle water-repellent finish that makes rain bead and slide right off. Make this a quick habit after every wash. Detailers swear by it because it not only cleans but protects against future spotting. Clear mirrors aren't just about looks, they're about spotting that car in your blind spot before it's too late. This next WD-40 move is pure genius and will make your interior feel brand new. Trick 16, clean leather and vinyl seats. Dirt and oils grind into your seats over time, leaving them dull, sticky, and headed for cracks. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never directly on the seats, and wipe following the natural grain. The formula lifts embedded grime while gently conditioning the material, making it look richer and more supple instantly. Finish with a dry cloth pass and tackle the door panels and console trim too. This approach prevents expensive cracking and reupholstery down the road. One session and your interior looks years younger without spending a dime on specialty cleaners. Your car will feel fresher and your passengers will notice the difference immediately. This next one sounds wild, but it delivers showroom results. Trick 15, clean and restore your tires. That dull brownish haze on your sidewalls kills the whole look of the car, no matter how clean the paint is. Spray WD-40 directly onto the sidewall and work it in with a brush or cloth. The formula cuts through oxidation, brake dust, and road tar fast, bringing back that deep, rich black. Wipe off the excess and admire the transformation. It also leaves a protective barrier that slows future browning. Hit the tires before a date night, car meet, or road trip, and the entire vehicle instantly looks $1,000 sharper. Clean black tires completely change the stance and presence of any car. Let's fix a safety issue most drivers ignore. Trick 14, clean a hazy windshield. That oily, streaky film turns night driving into a dangerous light show with every oncoming headlight. Spray a light coat of WD-40 across the glass, spread it evenly, wait 30 seconds, then wipe thoroughly with a dry microfiber. All that hidden road film and silicone residue comes off, leaving glass that's crystal clear and naturally hydrophobic. While you're at it, wipe the wiper blades too. Your visibility in rain and at night improves dramatically. Mechanics and detailers use this exact step. Now you know why your windshield suddenly feels like new. This next trick restores a part you probably haven't cleaned properly in years. Trick 13, clean and restore your exhaust tips. Carbon and soot baked onto your exhaust tips make the rear of your car look old and tired. Spray WD-40 liberally inside and around the tips, let it soak a couple of minutes, then agitate with a soft brush or cloth. The buildup wipes away cleanly, revealing shiny metal underneath. Buff dry and the tips gleam like new. The leftover film makes future cleaning easier. Do both tips together for a matching finish that turns heads. It's a small detail that makes the whole back end pop. This next WD-40 hack will surprise you with how well it works. Trick 12, refresh rubber floor mats. Rubber mats get faded, cracked-looking, and deeply stained no matter how much you rinse them. After hosing them down, spray a light coat of WD-40 across the surface and spread evenly. It penetrates the rubber, lifts deep grime, and restores flexibility and deep black color. Wipe excess and let dry. Do the same for trunk liners. The protective layer repels future dirt and moisture, making cleanup effortless next time. Fresh mats quietly show how much pride you take in your ride. This next secret is one repair shops hope you never learn. Trick 11. Restore faded tail lights. Yellowed, hazy tail lights make your car look dated and reduce visibility for drivers behind you, a real safety concern. Spray WD-40 onto the lenses and wipe in smooth circles. The haze lifts almost immediately, restoring clarity and brightness while filling micro scratches with a protective layer. Repeat every few months to stay ahead of the yellowing. In some states, it can even prevent a ticket. Mechanics do this quietly before handing cars back. Customers think they got new lights. Now you can get the same result for pennies. Before we keep going with these mind-blowing hacks, if you're learning something useful, smash that like button and subscribe. It helps bring more of these mechanic secrets straight to you. Trick 10. Clean dusty interior surfaces. That stubborn gray dust film on your dashboard and panels keeps coming back no matter how often you wipe. Spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and gently clean all plastic, vinyl, and trim surfaces. It traps dust instead of pushing it around and leaves a light conditioning film that repels future buildup. Don't forget the air vents, that's where recirculated cabin dust hides. 5 minutes of this makes your interior look sharper and the air you breathe noticeably cleaner. Detailers finish every job this way for a reason. Here's a genius protective trick you'll use every wash. Trick 9. Coat your car paint for protection. Bird droppings, sap, bugs, and tar are silently etching your clear coat every single day. After washing and drying, mist WD-40 lightly onto one panel at a time and buff evenly. You get an instant deep wet look shine plus a sacrificial barrier that lets contaminants slide off instead of bonding. Focus on the hood and front bumper, they take the worst abuse. It's not a full ceramic coating, but between details it's one of the SMARTESD quick protections out there. Save yourself $300-$1000 respray bills down the road. This next one could prevent a serious safety failure. Trick 8. Lubricate stiff seat belts. A seat belt that sticks, hesitates, or retracts unevenly isn't just annoying, it can fail when you need it most. Pull the belt all the way out and spray a light mist along the webbing, then work it in gently with a cloth. Cycle the belt several times. Grime loosens and the mechanism smooths out for reliable operation. Do every belt in the car. A dealership replacement can cost $200-$500. This 2-minute fix keeps yours working perfectly and gives peace of mind every drive. Trick 7. Fix a sluggish ignition switch. That stiff, grinding key turn makes you fear a big repair bill. 9 times out of 10, it's just dried lubricant and dust in the cylinder. Spray a short burst of WD-40 into the keyhole, insert the key, and work it back and forth gently. The mechanism frees up and turns smoothly again. Treat your spare key cylinder too. Do this twice a year and you'll likely never need an expensive locksmith or cylinder replacement. $150-$400. Mechanics start with this exact step, now you can too. Trick 6. Silence a squealing serpentine belt. That embarrassing screech on cold starts is usually glazing and dirt causing slippage. With the engine off, lightly mist the inner belt surface and pulleys. Fire it up and the noise usually vanishes as traction is restored. Inspect for cracks while you're there. This quick test can save you an unnecessary $100-$250 belt job. Mechanics know the difference between dirt and wear, now you do too. Trick 5. Free up stiff window tracks. Grinding, slow windows are annoying and can lead to expensive regulator failure. Lower the glass halfway and spray WD-40 into the exposed tracks on both sides. Run the window up and down several times to distribute. The motion becomes smooth and quiet again while keeping rubber seals supple. Do the rear windows too, they're usually worse. Smooth operation prevents wind noise, leaks, and winter breakage. Regulator replacements run $150-300. Proper lubrication keeps them from ever being needed. Trick 4 for your stuck side mirror. Power mirrors that won't adjust create dangerous blind spots. The issue is usually grime and corrosion in the pivot, not the motor. Spray WD-40 carefully into the joints and housing, let it penetrate, then test the controls. Movement returns smoothly. Same trick works on manual mirrors. A quick pre-winter spray prevents freezing. Dealer motor replacements cost $100-250, but most times the motor was never broken. This next one will definitely shock you. Trick 3. Unstick a seized parking brake cable. A stuck parking brake turns a simple release into a nightmare that might need a tow. Locate the cable under the car, spray WD-40 generously along its length and into any openings and let it soak. Cycle the brake while gently rocking the vehicle. Corrosion breaks and the cable frees up. Follow with a full preventive coat, especially in salted winter roads. Cable replacements run $100-300. Regular lubrication prevents the problem entirely. Trick 2. Clean your mass airflow sensor. Rough idle, hesitation, terrible fuel economy, and a check engine light often trace back to a dirty MAF sensor. Remove it, spray WD-40 lightly over the sensing elements, let it sit, then wipe gently and allow to air dry completely before reinstalling. This dissolves oily dust without damaging delicate parts. A new sensor can cost $80-300. Many drivers see the light clear and performance return after this simple cleaning. Trick 1. Restore your front grille. Your front grille is the face of your car, but bugs, tar, and dust have turned it into a mess. Spray WD-40 generously into all the crevices, let it dwell, then agitate with a soft brush and wipe clean. The grime lifts away, the finish sharpens, and a protective layer helps future cleaning. Reapply during bug season. Body shops use this before putting cars on the lot. A clean, aggressive-looking grille instantly makes the whole vehicle look cared for and turns heads the moment you pull up. If you picked up even one new trick today, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which hack surprised you the most, and subscribe for more money-saving car secrets. Check out the next video on genius maintenance tips that will keep more cash in your pocket. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.